Namaste. In this video, we are going to solve this word problem. Here given, Mike takes twice as long as Rachel to complete a project. Together, they can complete the project in 10 hours. How long will it take each of them to complete the project alone? So here, two-person, Mike and Rachel. Here says Mike takes twice as long as Rachel to complete a project. For example, this is Rachel takes X hours. So Mike will take twice, okay, 2x. And together they can take 10 hours. So total 10 hours. So our equation will be 1 upon first person Mike a value 2x plus 1 upon b second person takes b value x and here total t value 10. Here in the denominator 2x, x and 10, so least common denominator is total 10x. Okay, so we want to remove denominator, that's why multiply whole equation by 10x. 10x multiply 1 upon 2x. So 2 times 5, 10. Okay, and x cancel. Here 10x multiply 1 upon x cancel. This is 10. 1 times 10, 10. And 10x multiply 1 upon 10, 10, 10 cancel. 1 times x. 5 plus 10, 15 is equal to x, or x is equal to 15. Okay, so x value is 15. And here was asking how long will it take each of them to complete the project alone. So Rachel takes 15 hours, okay, and Mike takes 2 times 15, which is 30 hours. Okay, got it? So, very simple question, but if you have any doubt, any queries, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.